we have a function like f of x. F of x is a function. It is a function of x. If you write here t, then how to read function of t? And g of t. G of t is nothing but function of t. F is a one type of function. G is another type of function. If you change this alphabet, then it becomes a new function. Like h of t is another function. So here f of t, g of t, h of t, these are the three functions. Now, whenever a function is given, like f of x is given, this here at RHS side, there can be anything like any polynomial, anything, trigonometry, logarithm, exponential, there can be anything. The f of x equals to 4x square plus 5x plus 6. Functions can be developed by using anything like trigonometry, exponential, logarithm, algebra. We can use anything. If it is involved trigonometry, then they are called trigonometrical function. Trigonometrical functions. If they are involving exponential, then we call exponential functions. If they are involving logarithm, we call logarithmic functions. If it is they are requiring algebra, involving algebra, then we call algebraic function. So like this, the functions can be developed by all variety of mathematics. So if it is a trigonometric function like f of x equals to sin x, so it is a trigonometric function, sin x plus cos x. And if it is exponential, for example, f of x equals to e raised to x, then it is a exponential function. If it is involving logarithm like log x to the base 3 plus log x cube to the base 4 plus log x plus 5, anything. So if they are involving logarithm, then we call them as a logarithmic function. So we have a question. What is a function? Function is nothing but relating two or more variables. Two or more variables. So that is called as a function. To understand in easy language, suppose y equals to 2x implies y is double of x. If x equals to 1, then y equals to 2. So there is a relationship. It is relating two variables, x and y. So a function relates two or more variables. And if it is a function of single variable, we write only one variable in the bracket. If it is a function of two variables, then we write two variables in the bracket. If it is a function of three variables, we write three variables in a bracket. If it is a function of 4 variable, 5 variable, 6 variable, and n number of variable, then we write so many variables in the bracket. So a function is relating two or more variables. Suppose we write f of x, then in RHS side, only x are the variables like 6y square x plus 8x plus 9. So in RHS part, we do only pay attention for x. We don't pay attention for this y square. We pay attention only for x terms, where y terms are treated as a constant because it is a function of x. Similarly, if it is a two variable x comma y, then x and y both are paid importance, like 4x square y square plus 5xy plus 6x square y cube plus 9, like this. So it is a function of two variable because we pay attention for both of them. And suppose here is z is present. Suppose 5xyz, 6x square y cube z, then we don't pay attention for z. We treat z as a constant. We don't consider z for using, for putting the values, for operating the function. We don't consider z. We consider as if it is a constant term. We pay only attention for x and y because it is a function of two variables, x and y. So any other variable present, we don't pay attention. For example, suppose f of x equals to 4x square plus 6y square x plus 8x plus 9. And suppose you want to find the value of f of 2, then only wherever the x is there we replace it by 2, like 4 2 square, 6y square as it is, because we don't touch the y term, we touch only x terms. So here this is equivalent to 4 4s are 16 plus 12y square plus 16 plus 9. So this is nothing but the f of 2. Of course, this can be added. So this becomes, even this can be added. So 32 and 41 plus 12y square. 41 and 12 cannot be added. They are different. They are different entities. So we cannot add them. So f of 2 equals to 41 plus 12y square. So this way we can find out the value of the given function. And suppose a function is there like f of x comma y equals to 6x cube y square z and 14xy z plus z square plus 9. Suppose like this. And if it is x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So f of x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So we place only the value of x here, like 1 cube and 2 square and z as it is. We don't touch it. So 14 and x value equals to 1 and y value equals to 2. But we don't touch the value of z here. So this equals to 6 and 4 z plus 28 z plus z square plus 9. So that is equals to 24 z plus 28 z. So plus z square plus 9. This is nothing but the result of f of x equals to 1 and y equals to 2. So this way we can put the values and we can find out the values at a given x equals to and y equals to. X can be anything, whatever they give us. So I hope you understood now what is the function. Functions are 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, n number of variables there can be. Can you please tell me, before saying goodbye to you, I would like to ask you one question. Can you please tell me what is the use of function? If you want to know more about function, keep on watching the video. Meet you again with next topic, next video. Till then, wish you good luck. All the best.